Augmented reality mode is available for many iPhones, iPads, and Android mobile devices. To place a 3D model in an environment, navigate to a human anatomy or biology 3D model view. Turn on Augmented reality mode. Scan the environment to find a surface. When AR mode finds a surface, a yellow target appears. Tap the target to place the model. Use these finger gestures to adjust or interact with the model. Use one finger to rotate. Drag two fingers on screen to reposition. Pinch open or closed to scale. Select a structure to access additional information and features. Select Reposition to place the model on a new surface. Deselect Augmented reality to exit AR mode.